Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a cartoon animation video using Canva. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the like button. First, click on Create Design and search for the video size. Click on Elements and search for Urban Street. Resize the image to fit the shape. After that, click on Elements and search for Moto. Click on Animation and do the same. Click on Movement and choose the last option. Now your video is ready. Click Share and download it. For the second method, we will do the same things, but we will move the background instead of the person. Now your video is ready. Click Share and download it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.